drove my ass all the way fucking up here to find out the fucking petrol station is closed. Oh, what the fuck? So I gotta drive all the way into town now. But this is the first video you guys have seen me with the dirt wheels. I've ridden it a couple of times and it's weird. We put I want to say a 32 rear sprocket on from a 30. So I should have a little bit more low down torque, but it doesn't feel it. It really doesn't. The bike looks and feels better with these wheels on, and my speedo seems to I feel like I'm actually doing 30 now instead of, like, I felt like I was doing 20 for some reason. I wanted to say my speedo was off, but it shouldn't be. Like, there's no reason it should. Anyway, yeah, so this is gonna be fucking interesting taking this off-roading, but everything seems to be holding together at the moment. Like, all my brakes work and everything, so that's a bonus. So we're all fueled up, heading back to Odd Down to start off on some pretty easy trails. I've been down before. I've taken my Duke down there before. It did piss down last night. Is gonna be pretty muddy, pretty wet, pretty slippy. I will drop the bike if that happens. That happens. Fuck it. What are you fucking doing, you pleb? Oh, you are fucking kidding me. You've got to be fucking shitting me. Are you fucking serious? That's a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. And the fucking exhaust down there. The fuck is all this? Foam and shit. The fuck is that? Some kind of light. Ay. Not the most dignified way of doing it, but that works. I just need to. I haven't dropped this bike yet, and I need to just to get over the fact that I've done it. Just dropping a bike in general is just such a weird feeling. It's like, it's not a feeling that, you know, you should be having. Like, you shouldn't want to drop your bike, but I know that it's gonna happen, or I know I just fuck off, fly. I know I just need to. What are you doing? You're like stuck on my fucking goggles. What are you doing? I am going to try and get up there in a bit. We're going to do a whole circle and get to play in that mud a bit. I plan on getting a little bit muddy. Why not? I'm on a dirt bike. That's what you're meant to do. Oh, one thing that before I forget, the shout out, and I haven't done it for a while, but the Instagram shout out for this week is it this corner or that corner? I never remember. This person here, or he or she, this one over here. Yeah, so go click on them, go smash the like button over there. That's such a habit of saying that. And yeah, go follow them. So now back onto the bike. Balance it. Nice. Oh yeah, first of the way, first of the way. This is a bit of a workout at this point. I'm doing alright, I think. I don't know, you guys are probably cringing your fucking tits off. This is my first time off-roading, okay, leave me alone. We're almost at the bottom of this. Let me get down to a road, but I think what I might do is I might try and turn around and try and make it back up here. Oh, you're gonna stay like that? You're not gonna look at the back. Oh, look at her. Or him. Don't know yet. Oh, there's another pheasant. It looks so much better with those wheels on.
No.
It's not quite the same.
No, you got to do a teaspoon, whatever that is. That spoon. You got to do one of them spoons.
That's a tablespoon.
Tablespoon then. You got to do a tablespoon.
Fuck off with you. It's only a teaspoon.
Well, it's old, so it doesn't really matter, does it?
It needs to be a teaspoon, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. It needs to be one of them.
You sure?
Yes.
I think it doesn't particularly matter if you're not going to have.
It's going to be easy. Like, it's not like it's the
How much?
whole spoon.
What?
Whole spoon. You don't have to swallow it. You'll be fine. Come on, keep going. Keep going. A little bit more.
Is that the whole spoon?
Yeah, that'll do.
I know
So
what
you got to put it in your mouth and swallow it.
What, swallowing one or just...
Yeah, you can.
Try the poison.
Right, this is where it's going to get interesting. Trying to make it back up that hill. I reckon we could do it. With the knobbies. We'll be right, won't we? Fuck it. If I drop the bike, I drop the bike. But I'm going to give it my best fucking shot. I'm going to keep it in second. If I need to drop down, I drop down. I'm going to try and make it up this hill in one fucking take. No stops. One take. Stand up. Still in second.
Take him from the yard. Walk the plank.
Get in. Just feel everything sliding all about. Let's go through that massive puddle. Oh no, my horn's broke. I've got no horn. I haven't dropped the bike yet. I can still see it happening. All it takes is a little slip.
Love is the best place to find the lovers at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of...
Alright, I am it. Alright, let's do it. Oh, we sat down. I think that's about like it. I want to get back up. Yeah. Come on, chucked on my ass. I have to sit down. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, I love this.
Right, so I just want to say a massive thank you to all the support and all the love on the most recent video. Now I want to apologise because I probably sound really ill. I can hear it myself. I've been ill the past week. Not been great, but I wanted to get that video out there. It's been a year since I recorded that video. Or not recorded it, it was a year the first time I tried recording it. So it's taken me a year to get that video out. I'm so glad I did. I've already had messages within 24 hours, within 12 hours. I had messages from people saying how I've helped them, how I've motivated them, and I hope that video can reach even more people and really get out there and help people. And even though it was just me talking about my story, I hope the message that was below all the talking and stuff, the message that even though I struggled and you're struggling, you can still get through this. There's ways you can deal with it, apps, people, motivational speakers, all that kind of stuff. It really helps you, helps change your mindset and get you out and doing things. You should never enclose yourself, and you should never not want to do something that you really do want to do. And yeah, really, life is too short. You've got to live it to the fullest, and just go out there and make a difference in this world. And I think all of you have the ability to do that in some way, and just have fun and enjoy life. It is 10:15. I am shattered. I'm going to bed, but I wanted to get this video out there. Just thank you to all of you guys that have messaged me with support and stuff. I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I've said it before and I'll always say it again. You are the best subs on YouTube possible. I've built such a strong community and it's such amazing to see. Anyways, I'm off to bed. I'll see you in the next video.